Y'all, it's Randy, and I am coming back to you guys today to show you guys another easy, simple protective style. I'm going to be doing medium 2-strand twists with this Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator cream. Since we've been in quarantine, I've pretty much been, working with what I have in my stash, and this is actually one of my favorite products. I just haven't used it in a very long time, but I thought I would go ahead and use it for this protective style today. So my hair has already been washed and deconditioned, and leave-in and all of that is already applied. You guys know I take care of all of that in the shower before I come on camera. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and split my hair into these two sections in the back and go ahead and treat my scalp. So this oil blend that I have, it's my own blend of oils. It's Jamaican black castor oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil, and tea tree oil. I like to go ahead and treat my scalp and give myself a scalp massage when I'm putting my hair in protective styles. And this oil blend that I make for myself really works very well for my dry, itchy, flaky scalp. Like, it keeps all of that under wraps while my hair is in a protective style. So essentially, I had started off, I was going to part my hair with a rat tail comb. I was going to try to give you guys, straight, crisp parts with the rat tail comb, which is why I have it right now. But y'all, I really don't use combs to part my hair. I really don't care about straight parts at all. I think it takes way too long. So I tried to part it here for you guys, and then I just said forget it because it's not me. I don't care about straight parts. And then I just went ahead and start parting my hair with my fingers like I do anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the Cantu Moisturizing Cream. This is the only product that I'm using for my hair, which made this styling process so easy. This product is it's thick and creamy. It smells just like any other Cantu product. I really love this product because I can use it for everything, for twists, like this protective style I'm doing right now. Twist styles, I've used it for a wash and go, which I also have on my channel. I'll link it down below. I like to use this product because it's a one-stop shop for me. It moisturizes my hair, it gives me hold, it does everything. I usually use this product, I take it with me when I'm traveling, so I don't have to pack a whole bunch of products. But as you can see, it weighs my hair down, so it's definitely going to give me some hold. So all I'm going to be doing, you guys, is adding the Cantu Moisturizing Cream, grabbing medium-sized sections of my hair, and 2-strand twisting my hair. Like, that is literally it, you guys. I have been living for protective styles this entire time that we've been going through this whole corona situation. As much as I miss my wash and goes and my twist styles, I'm not going anywhere. So protective styles have been so convenient for me, especially being at home with my girls. My hair stays moisturized, it's thriving, it's easy. I don't have to worry about my hair for like at least a week to a week and a half. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward through, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So this is what my hair looks like when it is all twisted. I went ahead and added a couple of flat twists in the front because I don't really like my hair to be in my face, and I put bobby pins at the end of the flat twist to keep the roots tight as they are drying. And now I'm gonna take it one step further. This is totally optional, but I like to do this when I'm not using any gel or anything for my products. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Texture ID styling foam. I really love this Texture ID foam because it has wheat protein in it, argan oil. You don't really need a lot, like a little bit goes a long way. And it's a heat protectant. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my twist just to, you know, set my styles, especially at the top around my roots area, because I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair down and sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes just to set my style. So you guys, after sitting under my hooded dryer, this is what my hair is looking like now. As you can see, it took care of any flyaways or anything that I would have up at my roots and really set the style. I like to do that when I'm not using any gel or anything to lay my roots down, and it definitely takes care of the job. So my hair definitely is not all the way dry, so I'm gonna let my hair air dry overnight. And this is my hair the next day, you guys, fully dried. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out my bobby pins because my roots stayed tight throughout the drying process overnight. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I have really been loving this style because it takes me about 45 minutes to twist all of my hair up, which gives me a good 2-hour wash day, which is great because it doesn't take that much, because I don't worry about straight parts or anything like that. This style will last me about a week and a half to 2 weeks, which is also great because I don't have to worry about my hair. And as you can see, as it was drying overnight, it kind of got, my twists kind of look a little weird. That's because of the way I tied my hair. But once I hop in the shower and, you know, spritz my hair down the steam, it'll go ahead and plump my twist right back up. But I can wear this style a couple different ways. I can put it all back into a ponytail. I can do half up, half down, put it in a bun or whatever, just like you would do with any mini twist or anything like that, which is also another reason why I love this style, because it's versatile and it's pretty much simple and easy, you guys. And that's what's been working for me during this quarantine. So if you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and like, comment, share, subscribe. This is my spring summer twist routine for my protective styles, just to let you guys know. But that is it, you guys. See you later, boos.